Hi, so for today's video, I will be showing you how to rotate a video in Capcut. Locate and launch the application. This is how it looks like when you've opened the app. Tap on New Project, and it will show you all your videos or photos from your camera roll. Now, select the video that you want to edit by tapping on the circle that is found on the top right corner of the video. And if you're having a difficult time locating the video, you can just tap on the video to see for a preview. After selecting your video, tap the Add button. Now tap on the video and notice the icons which are located on the lower part of the app. These are all the tools that you can use to edit your video. But since we want to rotate our video, find the edit icon. Tap the icon, and you will find the rotate icon. Just tap on the icon to rotate the video. And that is how you rotate a video in Capcut. Thank you and have a great day.